welcome back to my channel. Today I want you to clean the fridge with me and then organize it with me. I have already taken out the things that were in here because it was looking a hot mess, and I'm going to clean using this water. Sorry, I have already mixed it. I have put vinegar in here and a little bit of baking soda, and let's get started. I will start with the deep freezer. It's not that dirty, so I will just So that is it. Let me put some water to rinse it off, and then we will arrange it together or organize it together. This is some clean water that I'm using to rinse the fridge. It wasn't that dirty. The problem is that it was disorganized. Normally, in a normal day, I would take these off and then I would wash them in the sink. But since it wasn't dirty, there was no need of that. That is it. After I am done, I will take some pieces of hard towels and then I will wipe off the water, the excess water. Then return these ones. As you can see, they are very clean. After I am done, I put a slice of lemon in the fridge to make sure that it's smelling all nice, and that is it. Let's now arrange these ones back. Now that our fridge is clean, I want you to organize with me, and I want us to start with organizing the freezer. Start with these ones. These are the bacons. Have beef. I haven't labeled them because I do most of the cooking myself. This is beef. And then we have chicken. Smokies over here. Put them there. More bacon. These are sausages. This is beef brownie. No, this is chicken brownie. And then we have cereals over here. They are a lot. I don't know how we have cereals. Then the chicken goes there. This is chicken brownie. And this is more chicken. Oh, more cereals over here. And beef brownie. And that is our freezer. We are done with the freezer, so we organize the fridge now. I think our freezer is well organized. So with the fridge, okay, my lemon, I have a piece of lemon here too, to make sure that the fridge is smelling nice. For the fridge, okay, we start with the vegetable compartment. For the vegetable compartment, I have lettuce. And I am only remaining with 2 gadgets, so I place them over there. And then I have tomatoes and tomatoes. And that is it. I don't have a lot of vegetables. So from there, what I place here is the fruits. These are my fruits, washed and ready to be eaten. I love storing them when clean, so I place them there. These are more fruits. These are sliced pineapples. Oh, and my my capsicums, I will put them here. Okay, the reason why I'm not mixing the vegetables is because all of them emit different gases and they can go bad quickly if you mix them. That is why I'm putting them like this, separately. Okay, I'm done with that compartment. So what I usually place here is things that I mostly use, things that can't go bad quickly, because here there is fluctuation of temperature because you are opening and closing the fridge. So what I will place there is salad cream and mayonnaise. And then, okay, my fridge is empty. I will put this is mango pineapple juice. I will put it there. And then we have white wine, soy sauce, and milk. I will put my milk. Okay, let me put it here. And then these are cheese sheets, and this is cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. I will put them there, and I have more cereals and meat that I will be using in a short while. That is why I have not put them in the deep freezer, so I will put them there. This is goat meat, this is chicken, and those are dengu. And then I have yogurt that can fit here because of its size, and so it will have to fit here. It will have to fit there. I don't know what I will do. Things are not fitting in here. Okay. Yes, that is it. That is it. Oh, I have forgotten the eggs in a minute. Okay, these are my eggs. Normally I would have placed them there, but I don't think they will fit. So I will just put them here. Anything else? Some fruits, apricots. I put them there. So that is it, guys. And then I have some vegetables here that I have cut. I don't have, what are they called, zipper bags, so I will put them in these papers. And normally I would have placed them here, but I will put them there. So until I find containers. Okay, this one I will be cooking today, so I can just put it there. And that is it. That is it. My fridge is not full even with this quarantine. I am doing bad. It should be full with the quarantine, but I think we are set for some days. That is basically my fridge. This is where I put things that I use often. This is where I put my vegetables, my fruits, my remaining fruits, my fruits that I have sliced. Okay, these are fruits that I use as snacks, my vegetables, milk. We have more vegetables, eggs, meat, and okay, we have some cereals over there. I'm yet to boil other cereals that I bought yesterday, so that is why it's empty. And then we have minji, we have dengu, we have cereals, we have meat, we have beef brownie, chicken brownie for salads and all that, smokies, we have sausages. Yeah, that is basically my fridge, and it's still empty here. I think I should have put these ones here. These ones should have gone there. These ones are bacon and yes, I think it looks better. You should have seen how it was looking before I washed the fridge. That is it, guys. That is how my fridge is looking. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to keep safe, remember to sanitize, and remember to stay at home. If you're not doing anything, stay at home and get productive. You can clean, you can deep clean the house, you can deep clean the fridge and other places that get ignored. There is a lot that you can do. You can watch movies. There is just a lot that you can do. Thank you, and let me see you on my next one. Bye.